Start with a slip knot and chain 40. This measures around 8 inches and this is the size of the finished one. This measures around 3.5 inches. You can increase or decrease the chain stitches according to the size which you need. 3 single crochets in the second chain from the hook, 1 and 2. This is the second chain. And now continue making 3 single crochets in each and every stitch. This will start coiling automatically. This is how it will look, and once you reach the end you can cut off the yarn. Now with the same pattern make one more with the white yarn, and now hold the 2 pieces together and start wrapping it around each other. This is how it will look. Weave off these yarn ends. Now to shape the candy cane and make it stiff, we'll be using this floral wire. Cut out a piece of around 4.5 inches. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.